How to fix Gmail's not receiving emails. Hey everybody, this is Nina from Create Log and Delete. Without any further ado, let's get started. Open up your web browser in your PC and get logged into your Gmail account. Now, the reason you might not be receiving any emails in your Gmail is that email might get stuck in your spam folder. So go ahead and go to spam. Under here, you might be able to see the email that you were waiting to receive. Next, you want to clear your storage a little to get new emails. Go ahead and click onto the app icon and go on to Drive. In your left side, you will see storage option. If you don't have any spaces left, then you won't receive any new emails. So make sure you still have some spaces left. Now let's move on to our Gmail again. Click onto the settings icon just beside the apps. And again click on See All Settings. Here point your cursor to filters and blocked addresses. So one of the reasons you might not be receiving any emails is that you might have blocked that email address. If you see that email address here, go ahead and delete it. Again, go to Forwarding and POP/IMAP tab. From here, under Add a forwarding address, if you see any forwarding email address, you want to go ahead and delete that. If it's not, you can leave as it is. Now again, go under IMAP access and make sure you have enabled your IMAP. Once you're all done, go below and click on Save Changes. And just like so, you will now receive emails. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, then do give it a thumbs up and we will see you in our next upload.